So today I'm going to be filming another video of my slime package that I just got. So, you know how I did the other one? It's in the same box. She sent it in this box now. I sent this box back to her. She put new stuff in it. It might have the same slimes and the same. But yeah, so that's all. So let's get on to the video.
Go ask Grandma if I left that.
So, yeah, so let's get on with the video. So let's get on. So, as you guys know, I got this box. It's my location on this side, so I'm not going to show you. Looks like you guys.
It was.
So yeah, you guys got the first piece, and I'm gonna open it. Oh, so first thing I pull out is the note. Let me just scoot the camera over. Yeah, so first thing I pull out is this.
Where the hell did it go?
Check in the back.
I didn't go anywhere.
It says, thank you for purchasing at Diamond Slimes. Your order: lemon jade, crystal quartz, amethyst, and carnelian, and extras too. Okay, so that's what the note says, and you guys can even see. Thank you for purchasing at Diamond Slimes. Your order. Crystal quartz, lemon jade, crystal quartz, amethyst, and carnelian, and extras too. So I'm just gonna put the note. I'm trying to do a video here, people. But so first thing, yes.
Don't tell Grandma to bring me a wet cloth.
So yeah, I have everything. So the first thing of extras that I pull out is this. That's supposed to be like a dream catcher nail kit, I think. Here it is. That's what it looks like. Next thing I pull out is this ultra rich hydration, and that's
Glove go.
it's right there. And I've got the ultra aloe vera. I don't know why. There's aloe vera because I don't need this. And besides, it's like gone. Then next thing I pull out is these. I pulled out glitter containers that are gone. And one tool is missing from this. I don't know, this person is like bad. What is this? Look, it's broken. Oh my. What is wrong with this person?
Hey, Chrissy,
Yeah?
ask Grandma to find a small paintbrush if you can.
So the next thing I pulled out was this little thing of Jesus and his mother and his father. Okay, so if you look at the bottom, there's like this really cool thing right there. I don't know what those are supposed to be for, but next thing I pull out is this used lotion. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Is she finding one?
Mhm.
Huh?
Yeah. Should probably put these in my slimes. Okay. Next thing I pull out is this. Borax. Yeah, guys, this is borax. Just borax. It's open. So yeah, I've got this. Oh, it opened in the box, I guess. And I've got this little lipstick. It's Wet n Wild. Earphones. Oh, those are mine. I accidentally put them in the box. Next thing I pulled out was these.
Can't find one or what?
I don't know. I'll just go check.